up, everybody? It's your girl called back, Christina. So today I'm going to do an unboxing for Goals brand. If you remember from my previous unboxing video with them, you know that one of the shirts that I ordered was a small, but I think it was like a men's small because it was too big for me, even though it was a small. So I didn't order anything else from them, not because I felt a type of way, but just I liked the stuff that I had. So, you know, I was like content. They sent me another package to unbox, and I'm not sure what's inside. So I'm about to open it. But first, before we get into that, let's get into these earrings. I got all my Chicago girls do it better bamboo hoops. And I have on my blue dreads bandana, both of which I opened in previous unboxing videos. Got my handy dandy scissors, and let's see what we got inside. Got my handy dandy scissors. And I don't know what it is. Oh my god. What's this? They sent me a black and red ghost hat, and it's funny because they had posted some red and black items on their Instagram page, and I was making content like, oh, y'all just trying to get all my money, because you know the Chicago Bulls colors are red and black, and you know I'm from Chicago, so I fucks with that red and black. It's on right now. I just love it. I freaking love it. Goals. Oh my god. Like, I'm pretty swanky, y'all. I'm gonna drop the link below so y'all can get y'all swag together too, because I'm trying to tell you, I be having them pieces though. I be having them pieces. Okay, so this, they sent an extra small. They sent an extra small t-shirt. The small was like too big for me. Talk about it. Okay, they have this little thing in it. Okay. Okay, this looks better. This looks better. And again, I love it because it says goals. You know, I like clothing with a message, a visible message. You can blatantly see that it has like a message on it. Okay, and they also sent this t-shirt to me. And it's an extra large. It's an extra large. So it's big, but I could work with it. I could turn it into like a crop top or wear it to bed. Or I can gift it to a man I know that is the size. But yeah, this is dope. This matches the neon green sweatpants that I bought from them. So yeah, this is everything that I got from Goals. I got this t-shirt and this t-shirt and this hat. This hat is so hot. First of all, it's black. Black is my favorite color to wear, obviously. And it says Goals, and it's the Chicago Bulls color. I mean, I'm just happy. I'm so happy. Thank you, Goals brand, for sending me these items. I'm speechless. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for continuing to send me your products. I love it. I love the message. I love what you're doing. I like it. I think this is cute. Yeah, I'm happy. I'm a happy camper. I'm lit. I'm swagged out. Thank you, Goals, for the swag. Appreciate you. Bye.